In this video tutorial, you will learn how to easily clean up your WordPress database. All WordPress websites are composed of two parts: the files, which contain media, themes, and plugins, and database, which contains the settings, post meta, users, and their credentials. It's very important to optimize your database, because a bloated database can slow down your entire site. In some cases, it can even crash it. You can easily optimize your WordPress database using the WP Optimize plugin with just a few clicks. To do that, first let's install the WP Optimize plugin. Go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type WP Optimize and press Enter. And this is the plugin we're looking for. Click on Install Now to start the installation. You can see that this plugin has a very good rating. And you can check here if the plugin is compatible with your version of WordPress. When the installation is complete, this button will change to Activate. Click on this button to activate the plugin. After the plugin gets activated, you will be redirected to the plugins page. You can see in the bottom left corner of your dashboard, there is a WP Optimize icon. Go to the icon and then click on Database. And now we have all the options we can choose to optimize our database. So the first one is optimizing tables. The reason you should choose this option is because installing and deleting plugins, themes, or even changing settings can leave remnants inside your database. So the optimization process helps clear out the remnants and helps your database run better. The next option is clean all post revisions. I only have 19 post revisions, but if you have a site that publishes a lot of content, you might have more, because there will be more post revisions. So check this as well. The next one is clear auto draft posts. This one is pretty self-explanatory. When you're typing, WordPress automatically saves your posts as you go. So if the site crashes, your post is safe. The fourth option is clean all trashed posts. You might have some posts in your trash can, so this will delete them. The next option is remove spam and trashed comments. Again, pretty self-explanatory. This will remove all the spam and trashed comments from your database. The last option is remove unapproved comments, which is all the unapproved comments on your site. Now for these options, they are little intensive optimization options. So there is a warning sign below that says if you run these optimizations and for any reason your database crashes or is powered down by the server, it can cause serious problems for the database and you may lose your data. If you choose any of these options, make sure you have a backup of your database. Now you can click here to run an optimization for each option, or just click here to run optimization on all the selected ones. The optimization will take a few minutes based on the size of your database. Once it's complete, you can see here that every option is optimized. Another amazing thing about this plugin is that it also provides image optimization and compression options. To do that, click on Images here. You can turn this on to automatically compress the new images you add on your website. Next, you can ignore the compression meta box setting. There's not much to it. Then here, under compression options, you can choose your compression settings. We have three options. First, you have an option to prioritize max compression, which will compress the images as much as it can. Second, you can prioritize the retention of detail, meaning no image quality is lost and only the metadata is deleted. And third, you can choose custom settings between image quality and compression just by dragging this button. This is how you can clean up your WordPress database using the WP Optimize plugin. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.